Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
A fantastic weekend with only a slight chance of a shower coming up for a Saturday. Always finding the humidity tracker important here, because when we see these changes, that means our weather is going to be doing the same. And so for the weekend, we'll be very comfortable with humidity. It's going to be another front that drops in very quietly, and that will drop humidity even more. And then we'll start a slow climb up to the next front out ahead of it. Southwest winds will increase not just the moisture, but also the temperatures as well. And speaking of that moisture, that could bring us our next shot of seeing some more widespread rainfall. It won't be heavy, but at least it'll get a lot of us here if it materializes. Now tomorrow, it's not going to be widespread at all. These are just going to be a little cluster of showers that are going to set up. You'll be surprised the skies will be blue at times, and then by the afternoon, kind of like what we do during the summer, they're just going to pop right along the coast, and then they'll move offshore in a short succession here. So they're not going to last long, and they're not going to rain a lot. It's not enough moisture in the atmosphere for this to be any significant shower, but we may get a little wet there for a couple of hours, and then we dry out all over again for Sunday with north winds and even drier air coming in. So that's going to even preclude the development of cloud cover here. Weekend, it looks fantastic for the beach and for boating conditions. Low rip currents, so we don't have problems with that. The winds are very light, 1 foot waves, that's it, or less. And then we're looking very high with the UV. That's going to continue to climb as we get deeper into the spring. The meteorological spring starts tomorrow, March 1st. No alerts for the Atlantic waters or the Florida Keys. We have 5-knot winds out of the southwest, but there'll actually be a different direction here with the orientation of the Keys. So that'll bring us a northwest wind still at 5 knots, and that is also going to result there in smooth conditions. So we woke up into some upper 50s on Friday morning. Saturday morning, we'll see less of that and more low 60s. May not be able to tell the difference. So this is, you still need a jacket in the morning, and most of us do anyway, and then a quick jump by the time we get into the afternoon with low 80s, so 20-degree difference from the morning low to the daytime high. We'll do that tomorrow, again with a slight rain chance around 10%, and then we'll get rid of that entirely for Sunday, Monday, even Tuesday. I think we'll be okay with breezy conditions starting to develop. That's again ahead of the next change for us, and that will be technically a cold front. It'll try to bring us a 20% chance of showers, and then it does cool us off by the end of the week.